What if I told you that this single $100 bill could change your life forever? What if I told you that with the right strategy, this $100 could turn into a steady stream of $8,500 every single month? Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Today, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step blueprint, a wealth-building secret that took me from a struggling beginner to making $8,500 per month consistently. And the best part? Anyone can do it. You just need the right mindset and the willingness to take action. Warning: be careful of all the fake online gurus and courses. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your financial worries are a thing of the past. Imagine having the freedom to travel, to spend more time with your loved ones, to live life on your own terms. This isn't a dream. It's my reality, and it can be yours too. But it all starts with a decision to take control of your financial future. Let me hit you with some cold, hard facts. Did you know that nearly 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? Or that the average American has over $90,000 in debt? College debts, car, mortgage, etc. It's no wonder that financial stress is one of the leading causes of anxiety and depression today. But what if I told you that you could break free from this cycle of financial stress? What if I told you that with just a $100 investment, you could start building a passive income stream that could grow to $8,500 a month or more? This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a proven strategy that has worked for me and can work for you too. My background story: I wasn't always financially free. In fact, I was far from it. Just a few years ago, I was stuck in a dead-end job, working long hours for barely enough money to pay the bills. I remember the nights I would lie awake, wondering how I was ever going to get ahead. I didn't come from a wealthy family, neither from a middle class, but from the lowest of the lowest. I've been navigating life on my own with no father or mother to support, except few occasional help from a half-brother during my college. I didn't have any special skills or connections. All I had was a burning desire to change my situation and a willingness to learn. I spent countless nights researching, studying, and testing different strategies. I tried everything from stock trading to drop shipping, from affiliate marketing to real estate. Some things worked, most didn't. Through all the trial and error, I stumbled upon a method that was different. A method that didn't require a massive upfront investment, that didn't need a ton of time, and that didn't carry a lot of risk. It was this method that eventually led me to build a consistent income of $8,500 per month before scaling to $35,000 and now to over 6 figures a month. The method revealed. Step-by-step guide: mindset shift. The first and most crucial step in this journey is a mindset shift. You have to believe that it's possible. If you start this journey with doubts, those doubts will manifest in your actions. But if you start with the belief that you can and will achieve financial freedom, you'll find the motivation and the resilience needed to succeed. Write down your financial goals. Visualize them every day. Visualization isn't about closing your eyes, but it's living in the end of what you want, but having sensory vividness and feeling the physical emotion attached to what you want. Feel the money in your hands or bank account. See you're having the freedom money gives, possessing those things you want. Tell yourself that you deserve financial freedom because you do. This isn't just about making money, it's about changing your life. The power of micro-investing. Now, let's get into the meat of this strategy: micro-investing. You might be wondering, how can $100 turn into $8,500 a month? The answer is compound growth. Micro-investing allows you to start small, but with the right investments, your money can grow exponentially. The key is to choose investments that have the potential for high returns but also align with your risk tolerance. We're not talking about high risk, high reward here. We're talking about smart, calculated investments that can provide steady growth over time. There are several platforms that make micro-investing easy and accessible to everyone. Apps like Acorns, Stash, and Robinhood allow you to start with as little as $5. These platforms offer a variety of investment options, from ETFs to individual stocks. The key is to consistently invest small amounts and let compound interest do its magic. Over time, these small investments can grow into a significant sum. Building multiple streams of income while micro-investing is a great start. It's not enough on its own. To reach that $8,500 per month, you need to build multiple streams of income. This could be through affiliate marketing, where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. I'm doing affiliate marketing with ClickBank, CJ, Impact, Digistore24 and many others. It could be through creating and selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. I've 22 ebooks on Barnes & Noble, Apple and many other online e-stores. It could be through freelancing, offering your skills and expertise to clients around the world. The key is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. I strongly advise you never to rely on one source of income. I help teach my students different strategies. By building multiple income streams, you create a safety net for yourself and increase your earning potential. Leveraging automation and outsourcing. Managing multiple income streams can be overwhelming, but that's where automation and outsourcing come in. There are tools available that can automate many of the tasks involved in running an online business. From scheduling social media posts to managing email campaigns, automation can save you hours of work each week. And for tasks that can't be automated, consider outsourcing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to hire freelancers to handle tasks like graphic design, writing, and customer service. This frees up your time to focus on growing your business. Scaling your income. Once you've established multiple streams of income, the next step is to scale. This is where the real growth happens. Take the profits from your initial ventures and reinvest them into areas that have the potential for even greater returns. This could mean scaling up your marketing efforts, expanding your product line, or investing in new opportunities. The key is to keep pushing forward, always looking for ways to grow and improve. The power of persistence. My personal challenges. I'm not going to lie to you, this journey wasn't easy. There were times when I wanted to give up, times when I felt like I was never going to make it. But every time I hit a roadblock, I reminded myself why I started and always visualized the end by seeing myself expressing the feelings associated with possessing those things, i.e. money and freedom. I reminded myself of the life I wanted to create, the freedom I wanted to achieve. And that kept me going. Persistence is key. There will be challenges, there will be failures, but every failure is a lesson. Every setback is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. The breakthrough. Hitting $8,500 per month. I'll never forget the day I hit my first $8,500 month. It was a surreal moment. All the hard work, all the late nights, all the sacrifices, it had finally paid off. Seeing those numbers in my account was more than just financial success. It was validation that the system worked, that I could achieve my goals, and that anyone else could too. This wasn't just a one-time thing. It was the start of consistent, sustainable income. Your turn. Actionable tips for getting started. Now it's your turn. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, here's what you need to do. Start with that $100. Choose a micro-investing platform that works for you and start making those small investments. Begin building multiple streams of income, whether it's through affiliate marketing, freelancing, or creating digital products. Use automation and outsourcing to manage your time efficiently. And most importantly, stay persistent. This is a marathon, not a sprint. But if you stick with it, the rewards will be worth it. Knowledge is power, so invest in your education. Some of the resources that helped me the most include The Richest Man in Babylon, Thinking and Grow Rich, The Magic of Thinking Big, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, etc. I've read 63 books on personal finance and investments. These resources will give you the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. The bigger picture, financial freedom and beyond. Financial freedom isn't just about the money. It's about having the freedom to live life on your own terms. It's about being able to spend more time with your loved ones, to travel the world, to pursue your passions. It's about reducing stress, improving your health, and living a life of abundance. When you're not constantly worrying about money, you can focus on what truly matters. And that, my friends, is priceless. So, are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom? Are you ready to turn that $100 into $8,500 a month? It's not going to happen overnight, but with the right strategy, the right mindset, and a lot of persistence, it is possible. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's build wealth together. And don't forget to check out these other videos on my channel that will help you on your journey to financial success. Until next time, keep pushing forward, stay positive, and never stop believing in yourself.